In today's video, I am going to teach you how to integrate Zoho CRM with LinkedIn Sales Navigator. This integration can help you connect your sales research from LinkedIn Sales Navigator directly with the workflow inside Zoho CRM. That way, you can find leads more efficiently and keep your CRM activities organized. To begin, you need to open the Zoho CRM setup area. On your screen, look toward the top right corner for the gear icon. This gear icon is the Setup button. Click it now. After you click it, you should see a setup menu or a list of options appear. This is the control center where you can add integrations and manage permissions. Next, you will find the Marketplace section. In the Setup menu, locate the word Marketplace. This is usually grouped with other tools and services, so take a moment to scan the options carefully. Click Marketplace when you see it. This step matters because the integration you are looking for is distributed through the Marketplace, rather than being added manually. Now, once you are inside Marketplace, you need to access the full list of available apps. Look for an option that says All. Click All to switch to the complete catalog view. This ensures you can search broadly, not just within a limited set of recommendations. Take a second here to confirm you are seeing the general list of Marketplace items. After you open the full Marketplace list, you will use the search bar. In the search bar, type LinkedIn Sales Navigator. Be sure you type it exactly as shown, since the search works best with clear keywords. Then press Enter or click the search option, depending on how your screen is set up. This search step is important because it helps Zoho CRM pull up the correct integration package. When the results appear, select the option for LinkedIn Sales Navigator. Click it to open the Details page or the Integration page. On that page, you should see buttons related to installing or enabling the integration. This selection step confirms that you are working with the right app, and it helps avoid installing something incorrect. Now you are ready to activate the integration. Look for the button that says Activate. Click Activate. After you click it, Zoho CRM will usually guide you through an approval process for permissions. This is a normal security step, and it explains what access the integration needs to function properly. Once the activation flow begins, you will need to approve the permissions. The screen may show a message prompting you to activate or approve access. Click the option that says Activate to approve permissions, or follow the on-screen approval confirmation. Pay attention to what permissions are being requested, and make sure they look appropriate for the integration purpose. As soon as permissions are approved, the integration should be set in motion. The system may take a few moments to finalize the connection. During this time, you can wait for the confirmation message that indicates the activation is complete. If you see an indicator like Connected or Enabled, that means the setup portion is successfully finished. By this point, you have completed the key steps required to start the Zoho CRM and LinkedIn Sales Navigator integration through the Marketplace. If anything does not look right, simply return to the Marketplace search results to confirm you selected the correct integration, and then repeat the activation approval. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.